Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing your PC. Back up everything because installation will touch partitions. Once done, free about 60 GB or more and shrink the Windows partition using disk management so Ubuntu has space. Next, make a bootable USB from the Ubuntu ISO. Use Rufus or Baelna Etcher for a reliable image write. Make sure secure boot settings are noted. You do not need to disable it yet. When the USB is ready, reboot and choose the USB boot option from your firmware menu. You boot the live USB and first choose Try Ubuntu to test drivers and Wi-Fi, confirm your hardware works. Then start the installer and pick Install Ubuntu alongside Windows for automatic partitioning, or choose Manual to create root, swap, and /home partitions if you want control. Make sure to install Grub to the EFI partition so the boot manager handles both OS choices. Once installation finishes, reboot. The Grub menu should present Windows 11 and Ubuntu, so you can select either system. You finish by updating both systems. Run Windows Update, then in Ubuntu use sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to get the latest packages. Restore your files from backup, install any proprietary drivers, and adjust UEFI boot order if you want a default OS. If you ever boot straight to Windows and Grub is missing, boot the live USB and run boot repair to reinstall Grub. This usually fixes bootloader issues. Finally, test switching OSes to confirm everything works end-to-end.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.